morning, you guys. I am in Toronto today with my boyfriend Jordan. We are going to Thrift in a Value Village in Toronto today, so come with us. Okay, so first stop, homewares, probably. What, you didn't want to be in the shot?
Oh, I didn't know if you were in the shot or not.
Looking for kind of like small macrame. I like those wicker baskets and things like that. So I like to start my search off by looking places like this. I know this like bag stuff can kind of sometimes be overwhelming, but if you look, there's always kind of cool things. Like these are really cool. They would look good like under serving plates, and there's like so many of them, super cheap, so it is worth a look. So like I said, this is like the kind of section that I like looking in, baskets and stuff. I kind of like this. I'm not sure what I would put in it, but it's only $2.99, so maybe. Ooh. Also, always like cute little trays and stuff. Like this is nice. What is this? Little basket. So yeah, this section is one that I tend to really like to look in. You guys know that I'm kind of like into this amber color glass. This is really nice. The only thing is, Jordan was just saying it looks like you can really only fit like one like thing in it. Like it's so narrow. So it's really nice, but probably gonna pass on it. Found a couple cool things in like the glass. So I like this. It's kind of neat. This little cute little bowl. This is really cool too. I don't know what I'd put in it though. I found these mugs, which are just so cool. Like, I feel like that would be really cool for like Instagrammable, as stupid as that is. $6.99. Is that $6.99 for the set? I'm gonna assume so because the other ones don't have stickers on them. $6.99. I want one of these so bad, but this is like a wine rack. I want the one with like the pegs so that you can hang like clothes on it, like a rack. Okay, so I'm in ladies wear now. I'm gonna start with jeans. I know I want a pair of white flared jeans, so that's where I'm gonna start looking. I find that with white jeans, they're always skinny, and I want sort of like a wider leg one, but there's not that many white jeans here. So no white jeans. After I've been looking for white jeans, I usually go into like these. They're kind of like the regular pants, and I start to look for cords. I tried on a pair of high-waisted pants, I tried on a pair of low-rise jeans the other day. I don't know how people do it. They're so low. We're always like playing the is it high-waisted game? Is it not high-waisted? Which these aren't, which sucks. So I found these pants. They're really cool color. They have this really nice waistband, so high-waisted. And then the bottoms are just like this. So I'm really excited about these. I am looking to get a suede skirt. But I feel like this is the wrong suede color. Can you hold that one up, babe? So that one. This is the color I feel like suede should be. This is not the right one. And I keep finding ones that are fake in this. Like I don't want real suede. I want it to be polyester, but suede looking. So I found this one. I'm gonna try it on. Suede skirt is the only kind of skirt I really want because I feel like I have every other skirt that I wanted. So unless they have any more of those, I think we're done in the skirts. What is this though? Oh no, it's like kind of weird tie-dye. So we are in dresses and they have like so many racks, like this one and the next one, just tons. Found this, but it does seem to be a little bit girly, so I think I am gonna pass on it. But I saw this, looks like a linen dress. Ooh, that's really cool. Ooh, I really like this. We're gonna try this on. I do want another like 70s kind of scarf, something preferably with like stripes on it. So I am just taking a quick look-see through here. Ooh, I like this. Not stripes, but still cool. Okay, so next up I'm looking for a dark brown turtleneck. I kind of have like a list of things that I want to find, and that's what kind of keeps me on track when I'm thrifting. So like dark brown, not like this, like I want it to be like chocolate dark brown. All right, next up We are in the like button-up section. I really want to get a jean button-up, but I want it to be kind of like, this is too, I feel like, new era for me. I'm also gonna check the guys to see if they have any. I feel like I might have some better luck there. Can I send you on a mission just to make the thrifting go faster? Can you check guys for the jean denim shirts, and then I'll check ladies? Love you. It helps to thrift in numbers. This shirt has a really cool detailing on it, and it also has like a fringe at the bottom. I think I'm gonna try it on.
A lot of denim-y Oxford cloth shirts, but no.
Nothing good?
Denim.
Nothing good? Okay, I found this. The last stop is going to be bags, and you guys, look at how crazy this is. So I think this is a really sick bag. I just don't like this color of whatever this is, but it's really cool other than that. I think this is a no. I don't know, it just doesn't seem like the right suede skirt. This one looks like this. I want it to be this length, but this one is like really long, so I think it's a no. These pants were not high-waisted, so I'm not even gonna show you. So although I had a really successful thrift trip, I am a little bit obsessed with thrifting. So we went to a Value Village. This one was actually in North York. I hadn't really thrifted in this area in like a couple of years, so I thought we'd give it a go and see how it would be. This Value Village is actually really, really big. But that being said, there wasn't overly like a crazy amount of stuff that like I thought there would be. So far, I guess the best thrifting Value Village, kind of like those store wise, I've done is like downtown Toronto, but they still had a lot of like cute little notable things. This was really cute. It's like a magazine rattan magazine holder. It was really nice, and I really debated getting it for a while, but then I was like, oh, it's white, I kind of wish it were wood, and I ended up not getting it. You guys know, again, this is my favorite little section. So I kind of took you guys through my thrifting technique, so to speak, in the last video, so I'm just kind of going through like that. I really wanted a pair of like white linen pants. I just want like 2 pairs of white pants. I want one to be jean, I want one, or denim, one to be like linen. So on the hunt. This little like green skirt was so gorgeous. It was such a beautiful color, but honestly, like I wouldn't wear this color. I don't think I'd wear that color, but I did think it was like a really pretty skirt. So this skirt, however, I debated on this one for so long. I don't know if I regret not getting it, but it kind of reminded me of like 90s like child Tasha, and so I couldn't get it. But I was on this like white beige tip. I don't know. It's just everything I tried on that day was just like white and beige. This was pretty cool, but had this terrible design on the one side. And I tried to flip it inside out, and it didn't really work that well, but I found this amazing, beautiful colored skirt. That was such a good find. Yeah, what else do I have to say? Yeah, like I said, this store was just, it was big and had a lot of stuff, but I wasn't overly impressed with it, I think. That's kind of the thing with thrifting. Sometimes you find good stuff, sometimes you don't. Look at these shoes. Like, for instance, they were 9.5, so they were like a little bit too big, but I did get them because you can tighten them with the Velcro in the back. They weren't real suede. I wanted a pair of shoes like this for a while. Yes. So you just have to kind of look. Sometimes you only get one thing, sometimes you get a lot of things. The other day we decided we'd go to Common Sort. We actually went to 2 locations in this video, and I didn't find anything at these Common Sorts. There was lots of stuff, but nothing like was really up my alley. And that's what happens. Like, you have to kind of be patient with thrifting, because you might have like, 4 visits where you find nothing, but then you're probably gonna find like a ton of things like another time. So I've learned that I just have to be patient. And then like in the beginning of this thrift, at that first Value Village, I found so many good things. So I'm really excited to share this thrift haul with you guys. I am going to split it up into like a thrift home haul and a thrift clothing haul, because I do have a lot of stuff that I've accumulated from a bunch of different stores. Please let me know what you thought. Do you guys like the voiceover? Let me know what you prefer in the comments. I'd really appreciate any feedback. Okay, bye guys!